I've forgotten how to play this song. Seriously, over the last 2 weeks, yeah, fucking gone. I need to be myself. I can't be no one else. When I'm feeling supersonic, give me gin and tonic. You could have it all, but how much do you want it? Make me laugh. Give me your autograph. Can I ride with you in your BMW? You can sail with me in the yellow submarine. You need to fly now. No one's gonna tell you what I want about. You need to find a way for what you wanna say. But before tomorrow, when my friend said he'd take you home, and sits in the corner, he lives on the waterfall, and nobody can see him, nobody can ever hear him call. You need to be yourself. You can't be no one else. Yeah, I know a girl called Alpha. She's into Alka-Seltzer. She sniffs into cocaine on a supersonic train. She makes me laugh. Give me your autograph. Now she does it with a doctor on a helicopter. She's sniffing a tissue, selling every issue when she finds out. No one's gonna tell her what I want. You need to find a way for what she wants to say. But before tomorrow, when my friend said he'd take her home, sits in the corner, he lives on the waterfall, where nobody can see him, nobody can ever hear him call. 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 Nobody can ever hear him. That was the last time I will ever play this song. Thank you very much.